Today I'm going to be talking about our college necessities. I am now a college sophomore. Yes, I have been through my first year of college. 8 out of 10. But right now on this notebook right here, I have 8 different categories on college necessities. Things that I have used. So just know, like, I'm not BSing. So the first category I'm going to go with is bed. Okay, when you first get to college, your bed, if you go to just some basic college, your bed is going to be hard if you do not get a mattress pad and a mattress topper. Okay? Of course you need pillows, a bed sheet set, stuff like that. I'm not going to do that. You already know basic necessities. But yes, get yourself a good mattress pad and a good mattress topper. I got both of mine from Walmart, I believe, at a good price. So it don't need to be like from fancy Amazon, but I will have an Amazon storefront with these necessities if you need help finding something. Okay, the last thing I have for beds is a throw blanket or throw blankets. I saw that my roommate had this big throw blanket. She never really had to make up her bed. You sleep with the throw blanket. Just buy a big one for like $50. You don't have to make up your bed. Just fold up that throw blanket every time you go, and your bed is already made. That's it. A big throw blanket. Definitely a necessity. Probably in my top 5. I use this every single day, wherever I go. Whenever I left home to go, be home for the weekend, I brought this blanket because even though I could just go buy one, there's nothing wrong. Okay. Next, I have bath. Okay. So, of course, if you have your own bathroom, definitely get a shower mat. Get yourself a shower mat. And I'm not going to say get a shower caddy because if college showers don't be that big. So for something to be right in front of you, it's going to take up some space. So I would say find something that you could put outside your shower. So then you would have shelves. So you could put stuff in there like the extra soaps you have, razors, girl stuff, all that stuff that can't probably fit, So I'm going to say a robe, so then you don't have to get dressed in a hot, So you have something if you want to walk out the bathroom, go get something real quick, you have something to put on and not walk around in a towel. No. Next is air freshener. Why wouldn't you get air freshener? I don't know. Something, to clear the air a little bit. So then it'll be better for you. Next thing, I have shower shoes. You can get shower shoes if you use the bathroom with one person, but definitely get shower shoes if you're in a communal bathroom. Yeah. The next thing I'm going to talk about is like kitchen size food. You don't really have a kitchen unless you do. Good for you. So we have a mini fridge. Come on, necessity. A microwave. Necessity. A can opener. Please get a can opener. I need to get one. There was times when I would buy things from a grocery store and it was mostly near the end of the year and I wouldn't have a can opener, but I couldn't open the can. So I would literally be stabbing there with scissors trying to open this can. Get yourself a can opener. It'll be easier. Water. Water. You're not going to want water. You don't want to use the school water for your noodles. You don't want to use the school water for your tea. Get your own water. You don't want to use the school water for all the foods, all the things that you just got to put in the microwave, need to put water in. You're not going to want to use the sink water. So get yourself a bunch of water, 2 packs, 3 packs. Just get help bringing them up the stairs if you don't live on the first floor. Next category I have is storage. We have a shoe rack or something that you could put over like the door and you could put all your shoes in there, Next we have under the bed storage. If you have a bed that's actually off of the floor, definitely get under the bed storage. Next thing I'm going to talk about is hangers. If you think you need hangers, get hangers. I didn't really use hangers because I bought storage, kind of like storage shelves for mine. So in my closet, it wasn't high enough for me to even put hangers and have stuff hanging down. But I know people who definitely used hangers. Next, we have storage cubes or plastic shelves. Like I said, okay, for me, I use the plastic shelves kind of for my snacks, my food, and then I had another one for like my electronics and stuff like that, you know. Ice cube molds, I probably should have put that in the kitchen and food, but ice cubes, for me, I didn't have enough space in my mini fridge to keep putting all the juices that I want, so then I left the juices out, and then when I wanted it to be cold, I used the ice cube molds, put it in a plastic cup, and yeah, so all my juices were on top of I ended up moving them to my closet, but yeah. Next you have like the 3-tier, like, you know, shelves but on the wheels. Very helpful to me. It was kind of like a nightstand. Everything that I would need, you know, like right next to me, it'd be right there. Post-it notes, somewhere to put like my bonnet and stuff, so when I got in the bed I can put it on, stuff like that. Next you have a laundry basket. Come on, we know this. Laundry basket. Get yourself a laundry basket. One with wheels or one with book bag, however you want, just not one that you actually have to lift up and do like this, because there may be times where the elevator's not working, which has happened, or there might be times when, you know, you need it. So next category I have is decor / room, kind of. So next thing I have is a body mirror. For me, I use my body mirror, like my big body mirror. I make sure I teleport it because I'm extra, and I don't really want an over the door mirror because I kind of want it to be bigger in width and length. So, but if you don't have, you know, the space or, you know, time to do that, definitely get an over the door mirror. We had both in our room because that's what my roommate brought over, and it was in a more, you know, it was in a better spot other than the big mirror. Next I have a ring light or a desk light, anything that provides some type of light. There might be times when your roommate doesn't want the light to be on, and you want to just have a little light, so then you're not bothering the other person, or you're not you don't have the light on because you don't want it on. Next you have a mini fan. You never know, things happen. There could be a time when the AC in your building doesn't work. So definitely invest in a mini fan, or you never know. It just, you and your roommate, if you have a roommate, your roommate might be two different, you know, type of temperature people. One could be better in the warmth, one could be better in the cold. So just get one. Next, I have a planner, calendar, you know, anything that you can hang up on your wall that you can walk past and see, like, oh, I have this assignment due, da 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 da. Or, you know, if you're better with it on your phone, get it on your phone. But definitely like dry erase board, kind of something that you can look at, you know, if you want to put post-it notes with notes for you, or, you know, quotes, you know, to help yourself get through the day. Next, we have command strips. Get a bunch of command strips. Just get command strips. I made the accident, which I didn't see till my move out vlog, that I used double-sided tape. If you're not careful with that double-sided tape, you are going to mess up your wall, and it's going to rip off the cheap paint that the college puts on the walls. Next, we have area rug. If you're on a bare floor, you're not, you know, gonna always have on socks. So it's just like, you know, to get up sometimes. So just put an area rug. It makes the floor a little softer for you to step on. Next, we have cleanings. So of course you need a broom. You need Clorox wipes, Lysol spray, lint roller. There are times when I didn't have a lint roller when I first started, and I saw how much I needed one. So definitely get a lint roller. You need a trash can and trash bags. Trash bags, buy in big amounts. Do not buy in small amounts. You don't want to keep on trying to go to the store, especially your freshman year, when most colleges aren't allowed to have a car your freshman year, and you still need stuff, and it's bad. You don't want to always, you don't want to run out of trash bags. Next, we have a dish rag or a dish sponge, whichever is your preference. So yeah, that's it for cleaning. The last thing I have is basics. I just call it basics just because why not? I'm going to say this one more time. Water. Very important. Get water. Now we have plastic silverware. We have plastic cups. We have paper towels and toilet paper. And flushable wipes. All those, again, buy in bigger amounts. You don't want to have to go to the store all the time over and over again for these things. It's just better that you already have them. You're not wondering who's going to pay for what. Just buy in a big amount. Batteries, just in case, you never know if you're bringing TV that has, like, you know, television controller, or if you're bringing a game system and, you know, your controller or anything needs batteries. Headphones. I loved my headphones. There's just times when you don't want to hear anything around you, whether you're in your own room, whether you're outside, on the bus, whatever. You don't want to hear things around you, and you just put on your headphones, go to sleep, all that extra stuff. Extra chargers. Please bring extra chargers. I am just someone who tends to somehow break her chargers over and over again, so I ran to Five Below. I buy 5 or 6 10-foot chargers, 10 foot, 10 feet, whichever one it is, 10-foot chargers, and I take it with me to campus, because when I break one, boom, I already have another one. 10 feet, you know, you can put it wherever you want, and it's going to be able to reach to the end of your bed, to the other end of your twin size or twin size extra large, extra long bed. So, last thing for basics is a first aid kit. You never know what's going to happen again on campus. Someone may bleed, ask for a band-aid, alcohol, you know, just something, you know, never know what happens. Okay, this is my last category, but this is a necessity. Make sure you bring this. This is the last one. Like and subscribe. But yeah, throw on shirts, throw on joggers, and a pair of Crocs. I promise you they're going to be your best friend. Go ahead. Just go ahead and order them right now. A comfortable pair of joggers, a throw-on shirt, and a pair of Crocs. Gotta walk to class. Boom, you don't know what to wear. No one's going to say anything to you about your outfit if you're wearing a basic fit. Hoodie, joggers, Crocs. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know if, you know, I said something that you missed out on, that you think is very helpful for others. You know, if they didn't watch the whole video, they can go down below and just be like, okay, well, yeah, I didn't have that on my list, so I could do that. Okay, my name's Kayla. I am trying to post way more consistently now, so please hit the subscribe button, like, and comment if you want to, not necessarily needed. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great morning, night, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video.